go. Okay.
לאט, לאט, לאט.
Emma, open! What candle today?
Wow!
What are those?
They're slippers! Air Jordans! Oh!
How do they look?
They're cool!
I told you, Didi, you're gonna have the best stuff in the school.
Let's check it out what Emma got. What did Emma got?
Open your present,
Emma
Benji.
got, I don't know. I got to see my David!
כן?
נו תקראי אותה, תקראי את הקופסה. חזק.
יחפה, יא רבי.
יוריד הגרביים, היא החליטה שלא צריכה גרביים.
Another shoe of Air Jordan.
Oh no, I just give you one shoe. Every day I'm gonna give you one shoe. תקראי את הנייר. כן. אוקיי.
Whoa! Oh, what?
David, this is socks for home, so you can sleep in them and walk in them. This is not for the shoes. You wanna open up for you? Let's see what Emma got.
Oh, Emma got.
What is this? What do you have?
Those are so cool.
They're cool or they're pretty?
They're cool. Thank you, Mama. They're pink in the back. Cool. Cool.
למה לא?
את אוהבת?
אמא שלכם שלפה את הכרטיס קרדיט ותודה.
נכון.
How about always get shoes?
Huh?
Mommy, have another present?
Not today.
Tomorrow?
Didi,
Maybe.
those presents are $200.
And how much?